Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're showcasing the SCOCANOPY replacement top with air vent for 10 by 10 canopy frames. This canopy cover is a game changer, and it's definitely the best First Up canopy you need for your outdoor adventures. Whether it's a picnic, camping trip, festival, or tailgate party, this canopy has got you covered in style and durability. This replacement canopy top is designed to fit most 10 by 10 straight-leg canopy frames, making it incredibly versatile. The heavy-duty 400D fabric is thicker than most, and it's silver-coated for enhanced UV protection. With a UPF of 50+, you can rest assured you'll be shielded from harmful UV rays, making it the perfect choice for those long, sunny days outdoors. Not only does it protect you from the sun, but it's also waterproof and flame-resistant, offering you all-around safety and comfort. What sets this canopy apart is the air vent technology. It features two strategically placed vents on the top, allowing air to flow through, keeping you cool underneath. These vents also help maintain the stability of the canopy, preventing it from being easily blown away in the wind. And when the weather turns cold, you can close the vents for extra warmth. This is a thoughtful design that you won't find in every canopy replacement. The SCOCANOPY replacement top is built to withstand the test of time, with a thicker silver coating than most competitors. Its durability makes it a better option than many original tops, which are typically made from lighter, less resistant materials. The cover fits popular frames from brands like Crown Shades, Ozark Trail, Master Canopy, and more. So, whether you're replacing an old cover or setting up a new event, this canopy top provides the perfect fit. One important thing to note is that this canopy top is designed for straight-leg frames. It is not compatible with slant leg or center pole canopies, so make sure you check your frame type before purchasing. The cover is easy to install and doesn't require any complicated tools or assembly. Simply slide it over your existing frame, and you're good to go. It's also lightweight, weighing just 3.74 pounds, which makes it portable and easy to store when not in use. It's available in a sleek navy blue color that will blend in seamlessly with your outdoor settings, adding a touch of class to any event. In conclusion, the SCOCANOPY replacement top with air vent is a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. Its superior durability, UV protection, and thoughtful design make it the best choice for your 10 by 10 canopy frame. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality canopy top that will withstand the elements and keep you comfortable, this is it. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products on the market. See you next time.